Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and my friend's Bullitt was making a horrendous noise.
Okay, I can feel it. Okay, here we go.
So next we removed the belt to run the car and eliminate that it was anything to do with like the water pump pulley, if it was a bearing or anything like that, and it literally sounded like it was in the valve train or possibly even something in the intake, like it was reverberating through the whole engine bay, so it was kind of hard to find. But ultimately we realized it was coming more from the bottom side. So we went down to check the transmission area. We took off the inspection plate for the clutch fork and gave the car a start, and we could still hear it in there. So at this point we were trying to decide if it was the throwout bearing or the pilot bearing. You could definitely hear it up in here. To test the throwout bearing, we disconnected the cable, pushed the fork away. The car was still in neutral, so we could still start it, and the noise was still there. Finally, we checked the starter, and it definitely sounded like it was coming from the starter. So our idea was the starter was probably not fully disengaging and it was dragging on the flywheel. Now, anytime you're working anywhere near the starter, especially with metal extensions and everything, you want to disconnect the negative battery cable. You will still have sparks flying even when the car's off if you bump any metal up and around there as it makes connections.
Okay, third starter bolt hack. What you want to do is take your 13 millimeter with a U-joint on it here, and you want to come from this way. And what you want to do is feed it in so you're passing the starter. And then you reach up here behind it to set it on. And with extensions, now you find that coming out the other end, add more extensions and ratchet it off.
So sadly, you could see that it has eaten at the flywheel a little bit, but I didn't see any missing teeth or any problems. It just marred it up a little bit.
Yeah, I'll just good the starter, bad starter. Looks good.